Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channels in 2020 and make money from it. This basic idea is creating a new YouTube channel, and I give you a 10 niche idea. I will make another video how you can find those niche idea, but you can get those 10 niche idea on my description. These are 10 niche idea that you can create and make grow your channels during this time. But in this video, a full tutorial about how to create a YouTube channel and how to make money from it. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Also, if you want to learn how you can create a YouTube channel, make money, and watch the video continuously. So this is my YouTube channel that you are watching it. I have a couple of them, but I went to Microsoft Edge where I can create from new email account. Okay, so first when you go to the Google and create a new accounts, it will ask you to sign in. But if you don't have a new email address, Google email address, so you can create click create account. It will ask you two things: for myself or to manage to my business. Again, for myself, you can create a YouTube channel for you, but you can change the name, or you can create a brand account because it will come with your name. Obviously you can change it to your personal to business once you create a YouTube account. Even though you create a personal account, you can switch it back to business. But when you are new, first time creating a YouTube account, if you want to make it for brand, then I suggest to go with to manage my business. And it will take you to this page where you fill the information, your name and the email address and the password to complete. So I will pause this video and complete this section and come back. And once you sign in with your new email address, it will take you to this page where you have to fill the information and the recovery email address and the date of birth informations to finalize your creating new YouTube account. That's it. This is your new YouTube account. It's created. Now what you have to do, click this icon here and create a channel. It will take you to this page. You create a journey begins now, so you click just start, or you're going to use your name, or you can use the custom name. I will suggest you to create a custom name, and it will take you to this page. I already come up with a niche. The niche I am going with is self-help and motivations. I will make a video how you can come up with the contents and the next videos, in the coming videos, and make money out of it. But for this video, I already have a niche, so I'm going with it. My channel name is Be the Mind, so it's related to self-help and motivations. So understand, create a new Google account with all settings, yes, and create, and done. You now change your YouTube personal name on your YouTube account to your channel name. Now the channel is ready. You need to upload a picture here. Now what you have to do, you can go to Canva to create the icon and the channel art. I already done that part to speed up the process. You can see it's related to the channels. Okay, now what you have to do, upload that. I need to download that first. Okay, download in JPEG full quality, and I need to download the channel art too. Now channel art and the icon is downloaded. I go back here, upload the picture, click this one and select picture from the download file, this one, and say done. This part is done. And tell your viewers about your channel. So you can add this now or you can add it later. And if you have a social media and a website, you can add it there. But at the moment I don't want to do that. You can, if you have it already, you can add it that. I'm gonna add those information later. Now this part is done. It will take you to your channel's dashboard. Now what you have to do, click customize channel, and you can add the banner now. So click this one and select from your computer, and again go to download page and select the image that you want. Now it will upload and it will preview that. This you're going to see in laptop, TV and the mobile. You can adjust it later, but now I go with this done. Okay, this part is now done. Now this is in a different format. Now as you click YouTube again, and you can see your channel is done. Okay, this part is done. Now what you have to do, how you can make money out of it. Now one thing you need to consider is, before you creating your YouTube channels, you need to come up with a niche idea first, then you create a YouTube channels. Don't create the YouTube channels and find the niche, because that's disturb entire process. First you have to go to Google or Google AdWords, even use YouTube to identify the niche that people are searching at most. I will make a video in the future, so I come up with these 10 different niches: health, computer, automotive, fashion, finance, ecotourism, food, work from home. This is spiking a lot because of the work from home. All the companies are asking to work from the home, so this niche is growing super fast. So that's why videos on my channel is also growing, because of the work from idea, make money online idea. So you have to come up with a niche first. So I come up with a self-help. So I get this because I will talk about how you can make money in the later videos. So I get the self-help idea after I done the niche research. Then I create the YouTube channels related to that. So your channel name should be related to that. So don't complicate the entire content. So if you want to create a YouTube channel for cooking, then upload cooking videos and cooking related informations. Don't upload with tutorials or upload health and fitness into the cooking, because your channel is only related about cooking. So niche specific, you create this YouTube channel for niche specific, and your name should be also similar to that. So don't put numbers and dash and all that. Keep the name simple and related to your niche idea. Now this part are done. Creating YouTube channel is less than 5 minutes. Now how you can make money? Well, first thing, you can make money on YouTube by what you can do. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time. Once you get that, you can make money from YouTube. The second way that you can make money is from affiliate marketing. I will make a video, it's going to be tomorrow, so watch this video and come back and watch the video how you can make money using YouTube and affiliate product like ClickBank for beginners. Even though you have a 0 subscriber, you can make $100 per day using this system. I will make a video tomorrow, so come back and see that video tomorrow. Now a third way that you can sell your own product, you can add your own website, and you can also sell your courses or a mini product using your website. This is the one you can do. Now this part is done creating YouTube channels and money making idea. I given 3 best way and how you can create content for this. So the first thing I recommend is come up with compilations videos. So compilation video is still working, but it's depend on which specific topic. For example, this is just for an example. Go to YouTube and find a motivation video. Already you've seen this topic your people are making about, but if you type motivational speech and filter through Creative Commons, all of the videos are fair use, so you can download and upload back. But don't just upload entire same content, title and pictures. Just download a bunch of them and mix them much, divide them into different part of the video. So there is 40 minutes, 15, 7 minutes, combine them to make 6-7 minutes of videos, and then you have a video for over 3 or 4 days worth of contents already there. So what you have to do is you mix them much, come up with a different method, different idea, and upload them back. This is the compilations video. Or you can make how to do video, so you can see how to work out, so something like that. Okay, these workout at home, these how to do videos also performing well on YouTube. So 7 minutes workout, how to build a muscle at home. So what you have to do, go to Google and type top 10 home workouts. These are the workouts they give. What you have to do, then you go to Pixelpay or any other royalty free website and find similar video for push-up or plank or squat. Find similar video that, and what you can do, add the video onto your download the video, add this video onto your video editor, then you can copy and paste the sentence, no voice, just background music, and copy and paste the sentence. That video is still working because you didn't know, as a first time YouTuber, you didn't know which system, which method is going to work. So try it out, different bunch of them. And third one is called Vietnamese, where I made a video. Go and check out my review, and I'm using this for one of my channels, where you can convert this entire text into video. They will make a video for you, adding royalty free video and music and everything. Now, before they give 7-day free trial without watermark, now they changed the rules that you're still gonna get watermark for the free trial, but if you have money, you can buy the subscription. Click the link in the description, you get 25% discount for life. Now, this is the 3 way I recommend that you can make a video if you don't want to show your face. Otherwise, if you are comfortable with showing your face, recording your own voice, do that. That will grow your channel more faster way than this method. Also, you can go to my description section and download this 10 niche idea. I will make a video how you can come up with the 10 niche ideas, and another video will be in day after tomorrow. Tomorrow video is all about how you can, this is my new YouTube channels. Okay, I will make a video how you can come up with a video for this channel and how you can make money using affiliate links. And I will make a video tomorrow, so watch out that video. If you are new to my channels, again, subscribe, like and share. And if you're older subscriber, please, if you like my video, click the like button, and see you in the next one, guys.